All right, shalom, my friends. We got Mr. Hayes in the house.
Yo, shalom.
If you guys are new here, in the morning we come in, we take a look at N2 price action. We see what the night session did between the Asia session and the London session, what we can do going to that New York session. At night we come in, we review what actually happened, outline any important levels we're watching going into tomorrow. We also take a look at some crypto at night, and we take a look at some stocks. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have here today in the... let's see what we got here today. So in the morning, or if you guys remember last night, our stream, we were talking about this 24.06.850 level, and you can see where price tapped into it overnight, displaced back above it, held it, and then we continued that bounce out of it. And on 12 hour, it's much clearer. You can see right into it, tap, and then solid bounce right out of it, right into these higher liquidities or higher levels at 25.098. Well, that was previous level that we were trying to break in 25.01350. So that is what we're watching on the upside. That was pretty much the big play today. Break below that previous weekly low, displacement back through it, and then retest here. You can see at 9:30 we sweep the London session, come back down, retest the previous weekly low sweep. We're holding, bodies are showing support, and we get that continuation almost to that previous daily high. And we are pretty close to that previous weekly high here, given that we drove right through that previous weekly 50%. Let me outline that for you. There's your previous weekly 50 chilling at about 24.801, I believe was that level. 24.801, yeah. So 24.801 above that, where you can see that nice continuation to that previous weekly high. And then through there's some more liquidities resting above. But for right now, we're just going to be playing at level to level. Said 25.01350. That's the 12-hour level that we're watching. We need to displace that. Then we can look at 25.098. From there, 25.19425, 25.32675, 25.414. Those are all important levels on the upside that we could be watching here. So, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns on that, let us know in the chat below. Otherwise, we are going to move on to some crypto. Nothing crazy on NQ today. Just that break and retest. All right, that's why we're playing those levels to levels. You can see right from that 0618, nice continuation to the upside. And currently, we tapped into this hourly fair value gap, looking like we're going to expand to the upside. Previous daily high is also going to be important here. If we sweep that level and we don't see any displacement through it, we could potentially retest the previous daily 50. If we displace it and get through that level, we can look for a retest to show support, and then continuation to the upside. That's what I got on that. But solid bounce so far. It's pretty sizable bounce that we had today. And that previous monthly low has been swept, so it makes sense. That's kind of what we were talking about last night as well. Crypto's still just in this fucking limbo state here, doing absolutely fuck all. So honestly, nothing on this thing. Bitcoin and ETH, you guys saw our coverage of that shit last night. Nothing exciting on this right now. And even in some of these names, like there's maybe ARC. There's a possibility on this weekly. Previous weekly low has been swept, but monthly's kind of iffy, so not the biggest fan of crypto still out here. Need to see some good moves
This October.
Yep. Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, gonna have to wait. Stay patient here. Stocks wise, DDOG, nice performance today. Roblox, a little iffy. Retest of the CISD there. Let me see what else we had last night. S, good day. PG, actually, I want attention on that one. PG had a really solid bounce today. Top of that 0.5, and then also retest of the 200 EMA body, holding it, and now we're seeing a little bit of a run to the upside on it. So I'm liking that one. DDOG through the CISD, continuing to the upside on this weekly. And through that weekly CISD. Monthly, Also continuing up
Like on.
on. God, why is this thing? Ooh. So look at ENPH. Tapped into like the 786. Yeah, right into 786 here.
Yeah, that looks fire.
Previous weekly low has been swept. This
I
is
think I
looking.
posted this one pretty much at the bottom. Almost an outside day today. This looks insane.
Oh yeah, that's a nice on chart. I just looked at it. Yours.
The NPH looks fire as fuck. I'm gonna put the. I'll probably buy some calls tomorrow if they let me, or it'll be gapped up. But yeah, I like that displacement leg structure. OTE goodness. Really, on the daily, looks like a market maker buy model.
ENPH.
Yeah, like to the T. Had the manipulation down low back in November. Displacement leg to show buyers are there. Retest the 200 EMA and tap that 786. Almost an outside day today. This looks incredible.
Now is it the Microsoft decent day? Also CMG. CMG, I posted that one earlier. Top of the 618 here. Looking like a decent buying opportunity with this monthly as well. 618 off the range. This one could see a little something. JD solid day today too. Jets seeing a little bit of a bounce here as well. Previous weekly low sweep. All of these, whatever they're called, fucking aviation. Probably the war news that war is over, so they can fly safely now. Oh yeah, on looks good. What is that? Top of the weekly here. OTE on the 618. At the weekly 618, looking for a good continuation out of this. I like that.
All systems go on the NPH.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, NPH looks so fucking good. That weekly also looks like a rising 3 here.
Yeah, I posted back when we inverted that. I think it was a weekly FPG. Yeah, that weekly FPG inversion. And then we went outside week. This looks so fucking good.
Yep. NPH daily, yeah. So just butte.
$53 calls.
Yep. 53 calls.
Like $53.
Uh-huh.
That's a huge jump, but it's just that liquidity right above. And then by some time, you could hold this up into 78. Honestly, there's a lot of LR to the left.
I mean, even you can even try 45 calls if those are cheap enough. I feel like
if you have enough time on this, this is all you can ask for in a chart.
Yeah, this is a solid fucking entry. Just a sweep.
Plus the 200 retest.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that daily looks so fucking good. And monthly is like inside to the downside, so this could be pretty decent on the upside on this.
Yep.
Yeah, I am liking CMG a lot too. Play gave us another SFB here on the daily, weekly, and monthly. Previous quarterly low swept as well. Now, we went outside quarter on fucking Play. God damn. Ugly. Yeah, Affirm. Still liking that. Weekly retested the CISD today. Daily, a little bit of a drop to the downside, but I'm liking this retest, so see if we can get that continuation on it. And Intel, INTC, outside day today. Previous weekly low has been swept. We're pretty close to that outside week on this. So if we get a little pep in the step, we can definitely complete this animal and go into these 68s.
May 50 on ENPH, May 15th calls.
ENPH May 15th calls.
The 55 ones, it's a little steep. Like it's a little out of the strikes bar off. I think the 50 call, $2.59.
What was on? What is this? Here, I'm notating this on the chart. ENPH 50Cs.
He calls for May 15th. Otherwise, the 55 call for June 18th is 234. That might be good too. Definitely a good one to layer into, probably, so you can trim. He called for June's only 340. You just want to buy 1, 2, and have some time. Makes it harder to.
I'm in some affirms. Let's see that. I'm in affirm 53s for 410.
Because if this structure carries out and we rip through this LRLR in like, I almost want more time. On the NPA.
Hims got a fucking bounce today. What the fuck?
Need to ask Quantbot.
And I think the reason is because everybody knows that experience.
Gapper on Hims.
Everybody's been through too much. What could be more attractive than to eat, drink, smoke, ingest something that would just like.
What was here? Triple M looks interesting.
The journey home has begun
I'm
again.
such a ripper.
A triple M.
It's always just such a ripper.
May yet be its death.
Previous monthly low swept. Quarterly outside quarter on it too. Snap dailies retested the CISD. Previous weekly low swept. ABT 2. Not a huge fan of the weekly.
I was obsessing over Ian.
Huh?
I was obsessing over ENPH.
It looks good as fuck. Yeah, on is also up there with all of this shit.
And yeah, and Intel. I love Intel too because it swept that 5128 liquidity and is holding this like dip very nicely. So it makes me think they want higher. Like $70. AVGO looks like it's ready to break out again as well.
Oh yeah.
RCL's not bad.
TXN previous weekly low sweep. I'm not a fan of that monthly. Let's see. RMBS.
Yeah, that looks good. Looks really good.
Half these shits went fucking outside quarter. On tech, just like NQ did yesterday.
Yep. We said it last night. I said, oh, why does NQ look like shit, but all these tech stocks look good?
Yep.
Kind of strange.
Yep. Someone's fucking lying.
Well, I'm still trusting the fractal, and I
Mm-hmm.
think we have higher.
Selch. SFP.
Yeah, Intel wants to go outside weak here too.
Yeah. Ooh, SLB.
Schlumberger.
That quarterly looks good still in Schlumberger. Could be a little lower. Net USB. US Bank Corp. Tap into the OTE here. That previous range. To 618. Below the 200. That's the only thing. That's some of these monthlies, it's like these monthlies look good, but some of these other ones look so fucking, it's like shitty.
Yep.
That it's like, I don't know if this is just it's like a, not a relief bounce necessarily, but like a little trap bounce of, oh cool, you know, war's over, and then we fucking bomb Iran again, and then everything shits to bed. It's like,
Keep lift. Still like lift how it's holding these lows. Really nice on the weekly.
Basing here.
Yeah, it can start getting that curve back up. Even if it's back up to bare OTE, still like $18 area. I'd like to see. Gone again if you're there.
Fuck. I can't get on. CCL. They like dumped half of these shits.
Back to tech.
Huh?
Back to tech.
Yep. Rotating that shit. This is a great time to buy. Oh, RCL, what a fucking day. What the fuck?
Oh, it looks good.
God damn. Outside past 2 days. Yeah. Not a hater of this one. That monthly is just so fucking foul. Quarterly still looks good though. Ish. I think tomorrow would be a better tell of all of this shit. Not a huge truster of this big ass bounce. I mean, yeah, we retested a good area here on NQ. At the same time, we might need a little bit of a dropper here. A little bit lower. Got absolutely fucking annihilated this month. Holy fucking shit.
This is why you want to follow me and Eddie, because he's always bearish and I'm always bullish.
Yep. It's a good mix between the two. Because you get to see two case scenarios, you know, and the thing is, we see each other's points too. It's not like we're like, oh yeah, this is better, you know. It's good to see 2K scenarios here on all this shit.
Marvel looks breakout red.
Mm-hmm.
No, this looks insane. Marvel looks fire.
And CLH too. The region.
Yep, I like that. Look at Carvana's not too bad here either.
Savannah.
Get Carvana monthly.
Savannah.
And weekly and daily.
Yeah, monthly I like that.
But almost out, or weekly and daily just looks good. ANet, yeah, ANet wants it. Hood looks really good, kind of facing like, kind of like lift, like facing down here.
Yep.
In this OTE.
UAL, yeah, all of these fucking airplane shits look pretty good. Aviation. Or whatever what is this fucking service? Transportation. There you go. Air transportation looks pretty decent out here.
Hood still looks good.
If we continue to hold this area, I love it.
Yeah, D-Dog's going to the back of this broadening. Honestly. Super nice recovery.
I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I hope getting away is what brings you back.
GME got a nice start today.
GME, yeah. That daily SFP is not bad at all. Yeah, and above the 200 EMA. And it's looked like a fucking, just a shitty ass bull flag this whole past.
For sure. They can fail it, like out the top, but it definitely had a decent day.
It's kind of like what we've done these past few months too. Like all of that, just like grind, and we hit a level and then we pop. So it's like a crypto coin.
Yep.
It's like a crypto fucking chart.
Dude, JD monthly and weekly look superior.
Yeah, JD weekly looks really good with the retest of that negative CISD and no break below it. Previous monthly low sweep and quarterly still looks really good on it. Previous quarterly low swept. Daily retest of the CISD here. Looking decent for a continuation. Also looks like a power up 3 out here as well.
It's like one of those charts you don't even need anything on the chart. It's just the chart looks good. This weekly can get a CISD. I really like it.
On JD.
Yeah.
Yep. Also talked about BA longs yesterday. So we retested this daily CISD. We're gonna watch this to hold before the continuation here. This previous monthly low has been swept. The previous month was outside or inside month.
Which one?
On BA.
Yeah. Yeah, looking for a weekly close over 27.47 on JD.
Yeah, Intel looks fucking fire. Yeah, Jets, Dal, and Love all look decent out here. Came back, retested the original consolidation here. I'm liking these. This quarterly doesn't look the best, but I feel like we can get at least some kind of relief on here. That's all I got on these bad boys. Have anything else?
Circle back to ENPH, I asked.
ENPH?
Yeah, and it said aim for like the June calls to avoid paying for theta. Overpaying for theta.
I like that. ENPH June.
And they do move slow, so it just gives you some time.
Cool. ENPH Junes. That's all we have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, we love you. We appreciate you. Make sure you go check out Mr. Hayes at Hayes Beats on Twitter. 3,000 followers for the guy, we're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the Paper Traders. Make sure you go check us out on Twitter as well, at the Paper Traders. Check out our website, www.papertraders.io. New exciting things are coming your way, guys. 2,000 followers for me, where you can do a tracksuit reveal, so you'll see my full fit. Other than that, that's all we got today, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.